Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. My goodness, this is Zara. One of my all-time favorite pieces of hair. I wore her to my high school reunion in a blonde color, and so this is a dark color. The color numbers, I'm going to read them, are 8RH14. So if you're looking up the color numbers, 8RH14. Love, 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 love. Okay, so let's go over the cap. Open wefted here, Velcro tabs here to adjust it, lace here in the front so we can adjust it, and it's gonna look like it's coming right out of my head, which is very exciting. So let's put her on. So excited to see this. Now I know some of you don't like me in dark hair, so that's okay. The beauty of wigs is that you can change your wig just like that, right? So let's put this on. Head goes in first, pop up. So pretty, so pretty. She's got some pretty highlights. I'm adjusting her with the ear tab, so right here on either side. And I love the length of Zara. Okay, so we're gonna comb through the part. This is by Jon Renau, and you are gonna be amazed. Look at this. I love this, so fun. I love having long hair. Now, I'm not one of those people who thinks at a certain age you have to be age appropriate with hair, but I just love. And this dark hair, this is about the color I was born with. So when I was a young woman, teenager, I had hair this color, but I couldn't grow it long. It just wouldn't grow long for me. So love, just love. Now, one thing I might do here is tuck her back here, just like this, just to keep her out of my eyes. Or I could use a little wig wax and pop it right here, so if I want it to come up. But check the hairline, flawless. Now, I want to show you this. This is amazing. So I can put on a scarf, because you know, it's sweater weather and scarf weather. So this is what I like to do. Pull her out here and then do a scarf like this. I'll pull her all the way out of my scarf. Takes a minute to get all the hair out. Check this out with the blue and my blue eyes. Kind of a pop of color. What do you think? Just amazing how colors that you wear change the look of the style of the hair. So really pretty, very long. Let me show you the back. Put her in the back here. Show you the back. Hopefully you can see the whole back. I just love her. And I know, you know, the beauty thing of hair is that you can wear hair, I can put this on and change into a short pixie in seconds. So it's really not a commitment. That's why my channel is called An Affair with Hair, if you haven't checked that out. But it's fun, it's beautiful. This is great. I see going to the pumpkin patch in this with a jacket. Just gorgeous. Now I can change the part on this. If I want to be more of a middle part, see, I can change the hairline, how low we go, which I like a little bit lower. Yep. So she can be middle part moment. We can change her on this side. So fun, so fun. So it's a no commitment, right? We can just change her up. And that's the beauty of wigs. So if you haven't tried a long hair wig and you're over 50, you should try it. Because I'm telling you, it's amazing. So let's sort out this part a little bit. I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you tried long hair? And are you over 50 and tried long hair? Would love to know. Have a great day. Cheers.